Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a makeup tutorial after a very long time. So I'm gonna use this Sugar Cosmetics full coverage HD foundation, which I told you about in many of my haul videos. So this is my current favorite foundation. It is very good, you guys. The coverage is amazing. You just need like a small drop for your entire face, and it's pretty thick, so it get dried up very fast, so you have to blend it fast. Also, if you have dry skin, this might not be the perfect foundation for you, but yeah, I kind of love it. I have oily skin, so this works perfectly for me. And now I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics contour stick. So I don't really use contour stick a lot. When I do like normal basic makeup, I don't do that. But when I do a full coverage makeup, it gives a lot of definition to your face. And I'm blending it out with a wet beauty blender. Make sure you wet the beauty blender, otherwise it won't get blended that easily. So yeah. Once I was done with that, I kind of liked the whole finish and the tone of the foundation. I absolutely loved it. And now I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic translucent powder. That was a little bit too much under my eyes, so I'm just removing it. And yeah, I'm just using it to set the liquid products that we used right now. I love this product. It gives a very good texture to your skin, and it sets the products really well. Now I'm going to use this mini bronzer on the lids as a transition color. This is the base color that I use. I normally use the bronzer that I use on my face as the base color for the eyeshadow. So yeah, now I'm using this Subculture palette, and you don't have to use the same palette. I don't know if it's available in Amazon, but use any dark brown color or smoky black color. And I'm just starting from the lids, as you can see, and then I'm building it up. And I'm using a precision brush to apply the color, and then I'm using a blending brush to blend it really well to the transition color which we applied in the beginning. And I'm blending it out really well. Take your time, be patient, blend it out really well. Make sure there is no harsh lines. I absolutely love this look. I didn't go for any glitter this time. It's just matte dark brown color on my eyes. So yeah, it's very easy. I just used this one color and nothing else. And I'm using pack false lashes. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil as usual. So yeah, so I'm not gonna make it like a full brow, and I'm just applying the outlines and blending it out, so it just gives that very light brushed eyebrow look. And now I'm removing all the excess powder that I applied on my face. That was a lot of powder, but yeah, it helps the caking process, and it helps to set the makeup really well. It makes the makeup stay for a very long time. Now I'm using this brush to apply the mini bronzer, which I used as the eyeshadow previously. I'm using the same color and just contouring my face wherever I applied the contour stick. I'm just setting it up with this powder. I'm using the same contour powder for my nose contour as well, and we are pretty much done with the contouring. Now I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty highlighter to highlight my face. So since I've bought this Swiss Beauty highlighter, brick highlighter, I've never used any other highlighter that I have. I have a lot of other highlighters which I have not touched for a very long time because I absolutely love this product. And now I'm using the same highlighter on my brow bone just to define the brows. Yeah. And now I'm using this Click Me Up Velvet matte lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. And it's a really pretty pink nude color. So once I applied it, I thought it's a bit too pink. I just wanted to make it a bit more nude. So I took this liquid lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics itself, and it's a very nude color. I'm gonna put the links and details of all the products that I'm using in this video down below in the description box as usual. And yeah, we are pretty much done, you guys. So to finish the look, I'm using the setting spray again from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, this setting spray makes your makeup stay for a very long time. So I bought this necklace also from Amazon. I'll be putting the link of this as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.